Hello guys, in this video I will make you a passenger POV driving of this nice curvy road, my track road, and you will be my passenger of this Peugeot 308 GTI in black with 197 horsepower 1.6 turbo engine. Let's go and put you on your seat. No, you won't be on the back, I'm just putting the camera, bro. Okay guys, let's go and drive this GTI car. Full throttle, max power at 6,000 RPM. I mean, not max power, but you're shifting gear point. Turn off the ESP so that we get a full control of the car. When you push the pedal too much, you understeer. Like every front wheel drive car, here is no different. GTI feeling after 4k RPM, turbo engine kicks in. Nice noise from the POV valve. Feel the steering. I'm pretty away from the front, but and it's front wheel drive, it's understeering only. Pretty nice blow sound. It's stable, it could be stiffer. I would recommend putting coilovers for more stiffness, because now it's something like comfort and sport. But not the maximum score for stableness, and it's very engaging because of the turbo engine and nice gear shifter. It doesn't feel heavy when in high RPM, although it's 1.5 ton. Let's see that corner. Okay, not brilliant, but okay, good for GTI car. But the engine is nice, yeah. I like this gearbox, this engine, and the brakes. The brakes are just brilliant. They can stop you from higher speed really, really fast. It has a flow. It has called the flow. That's why he's making up chair. Okay, slow down here. I hope you enjoyed this drive, passenger. Here I slow down. Okay, passenger, continue to drive. Very interesting wipers, with the way they move, it's interesting. Okay, let's drive. Close that window there. Let's drive. Nice. Sounds. Turn the disc is POV and wait for a proper straight. here in that car. That's interesting. In the board computer. Oh, I got low on fuel. Waiting for a proper straight, guys, and overtake. Little brake here, 4th gear, and full throttle. Some nasty corner. Kupražve majna. Not good, guys. I told you, you have to be always be careful to drive a little bit below your limit, even though 2 little bits below your limit, because you don't know what's the situation behind the corner. Idiots like this can ruin your day. I had such a road, guys. 2.5 that I had 4.2 petrol, and they're not so good cars, heavy and slow and too problematic. Nice turn here, full throttle. And guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, watching this series. Let me give you one more overtake, and I really hope you subscribe to our channel to see more driving videos with different cars or with my cars too, which I buy and sell. And I hope you like it, so you put me a like. If not, please don't touch anything, as I say always. And guys, be healthy, stay safe, always think ahead, and drive your car the way you want it, so that it gives you a nice fun and excitement of owning your car and your engine. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.